Babe. Holding you. Guys, si Baby. No more, no more. No more. Ganda. Chachang! We are back after 6 months. Wait, 6 months ba? No, 8 months. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we are here for another video. This is our third day dito sa Osaka. Dito pa tayo nagsistay sa Appa Namba Ikimei Tower, malapit dito sa Dotonbori. Yan. And I don't know if you can see it, but yan yung view natin from our room. But yeah, kung gusto niyo mag-book dito sa hotel natin, I highly recommend and you can book through Klook and use my promo code Nestor. Yan si Kay. Hi babe. Ayan. Yan yung outfit natin for today. So for today's video, I don't know. Saan ba? So for today's video, we are going to Nara. Tapos Nara and then Osaka Castle. I think we can check out Dotonbori kung may time pa. Kasama natin yung family ni Kay. And it's gonna be their first time sa Nara. Last time pumunta tayo dun. Hindi pa ako nagpa-vlog. Tara, samahan nyo kami and I hope you guys have fun. Yan guys, dito na kami sa labas. But first, coffee muna. Ito pala yung other side ng hotel namin. Ito yung itsura ng neighborhood. Ang ganda oh. At mga ano lang to, 15 minutes from Dotonbori. Oh, hi Kami, good morning. Coffee muna kami kasi wala pang coffee. Wednesday ngayon, June 24th. Guys, meron pang isang grocery dyan guys oh. Malapit sa hotel. Mga 5-minute walk lang din. Sobrang ganda pala ng location ng hotel natin. Tapos mas malaki siya, tapos mas malinis kesa yung grocery na punta natin sa first day. Saro Coffee guys, yan. May to-go sila kung to-go kayo dito sa dito sa other corner. Kung gusto niyo mag-eat in, punta kayo sa second floor. Yan. Yung order namin guys. Chachang. Ano yun? Hot Americano, matcha latte, cafe mocha, and then burnt cheesecake. Pistachio cheesecake. Hi Kami. Yeah. Cheers, man. Cheers. Thank you. Let's try the cheesecake.
Ikaw, girl, eat the cheesecake. Pistachio, girl.
Cheers. Try it, man. Without ice cream. Mas naman, hindi masarap. Hindi masarap. Mas naman kasi, it's not sweet. It's not sweet. Try it, guys.
Love you.
Yeah, feel?
Girl,
Add it with the cream. With the thingy.
ay, kami. Dili kayo init.
Babe, mas masarap siya or than. Right? Nope.
Gana?
With the... okay. And guys, so tapos na tayo mag-coffee dito sa Osaro Coffee. So ito yung sabi ko na meron silang parang to-go na section. Tapos yung kung saan kami upo dyan sa taas, sa second floor. Doon naman yung daanan sa may gilid. Also, meron kaming nakitang fire department pala nila dito. Sa Osaka. Ganyan yung atake niya guys. Tapos very laid back yung area dito compared sa Dotonbori na side, di ba? Tingnan nyo. Ganda. Tapos for now, we are gonna head to Namba Station para we'll take the Kintetsu line papuntang... Kintetsu line ba yun? Papuntang Nara. I-update ko kayo. Tapos, I think it's gonna take 40 minutes one way. Round trip mga nasa 1 hour higit. And 680 yen yung gastos one way. So, yeah, update ko kayo. Guys, I will show you how to withdraw from ATM 7 Bank dito sa Japan. So why ATM 7 Bank? Kasi wala silang foreign transaction fees. So nasa inyo lang din kung may transaction fees yung bank niyo. So press English and then it's gonna read your debit card
Pwede raw.
And then withdraw or you can do balance inquiry.
Ay, nakikwan.
Tapos, ito may disclaimer sila. Nasa bank line lang. And then confirm. As pin. Huwag niyong tignan.
Pati yung 10,000. Mabuti mo.
And then confirm. And then they can only do multiples of 1,000. So, withdraw tayo ng 5,000.
Alas 10, 11.
Clear na.
Ang 7 ba ko? 7-11. 7-11, tagiya. Yeah. Sa 7 bank. Ilakan daw ng kuan.
Confirm.
Dapat sa 7 bank na daw magpa-kuan. Mag-withdraw kay walay card.
Tapos, just get your card and then receipt.
Conversion.
Dang.
Babe, what's yung conversion sa 7 bank, babe?
Better than other banks.
Walay kuan. Mag-withdraw.
There you go. And then, here you go. You got your cash. That's it, guys. Guys, dito na kami sa express train to Nara. In Tetsulai.
Say hello.
Hola, guys.
Hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog. Ano lang siya, guys. 680 yan. One way. Tapos, di na kami nag-reserve seat. Iba din yun. Limited express yun. Mas mahal yun. Huwag yun, guys. 1,000 yun higit. Hello, guys.
Welcome to my flight.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Vlog. Welcome to my
Hi. Hey.
だが広く空いています。お降りの際は足元に
After easy hearing, we will be
過去最大中期区間中に連絡します。
Press.
右側の扉が開きます。
station number.
Yan guys, dito na kami sa Nara. Let's go! Yan. Famous yung Nara sa mga deer parks nila. At saka mga temples din. Yan. Yung mga monks. So ito yung Nara Station. Intetsu Nara Station. Sobrang busy kasi marami talaga ang tao. Tapos maganda yung weather. Bago uulan. Uulan daw sa hapon. Lalabas tayo dito. So pag gaba nyo sa train, east exit. Tapos punta kayo dyan sa taas sa may restroom. Tapos gift shop sa kilid. And then, let's head over there sa park. Tadang! So, nasa labas na tayo ng station, guys. Yan, pag labas na labas nyo, sundin nyo na yung mga people. Papunta na yan ng temple. So, may Lawson. Dito yung, Higashimuki Shopping Street. Yan. Dito siya sa area na to. Whoa! Kami, don't touch, careful! Wow. Guys, may may deer na sarap.
Don't touch them, ha?
So guys, sundan na natin tong mga people kasi right when you get out the east exit, mga 10-minute walk lang siya papuntang Nara Park. At tapos bring kayo ng cash kasi you can buy like biscuits for the deer. Tapos magpi-feeding kayo, yun yung nakikita nyo sa social media. So ganito yung view niya sa gilid, sa sidewalk. And you see a lot of people walking towards the park. And medyo maganda yung weather ngayon, kind of fair. It's 66 degrees Celsius right now, so it's very, very comfortable. Yun nga, hindi pa naman humid, and I think it's about to rain this afternoon. So, yeah, what can we do? We have to deal with it, right? Yeah. And guys, may mga hotel dito. Feel ko mahal itong mga hotel dito. Because we're very far from Osaka, nasa mga 30-40 minutes na, so you can tell na parang talaga. As tourist spot nga. Ang dami ng mga deer nga dito. Kita niyo yan. Tachang! As guys, ang dami ng trees. Ang sobrang fresh ng hangin. Like, you could already tell. Pero yung sa Osaka, pa naman din. Like, it was very fresh naman din. Pero alam mo yun dito, parang konti na lang yung pollution. Tignan niya, daming trees. Pero tourist spot nga. Ito, they're feeding. Tachang! Yeah, those are like the biscuits na sabi ko. Like, you have to bring cash para bumili kayo ng biscuits. Because I don't think they take credit card or debit card. Yun yung naalala ko. Pero ang dami ng deer nga dito. Last time nung pumunta kami dito, guys, nung November, like 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, konti lang yung tao, to be honest. Like, parang, konti lang talaga. Ngayon, like, there's so many. What? Ano? Yeah. Tapos medyo mabaho. Medyo mabaho. Dito guys, oh. There's so many of them. What? Oh, the one's pooping. Ah, guys, tumatay. That one's pooping. Hey, careful. You don't step on poop. They're pooping. Look, there's so many of them. Huh? Bantay ah. Hey, careful. Careful with the poop. Ah, bye-bye. Nara, dito guys. This one's big.
200?
200 yen? Okay, expensive na. Guys, so the biscuits are 200 yen now. Kaya ang dami dito guys kasi dito yung binibentahan ng ano biscuits. They'll charge you. So careful. Nope. Look at them. They're going after this guy. There's so many of them. Alright, she's about to buy. Babe. Arigatou. Guys, it's attacking me. It's following me. Alright. Where are they? Oh no! Guys, don't let them see your biscuits. No pun intended. Dear, Kuya, picture! Guys, meron palang walkway. Pababa, underground. Kasi ito yung parang may map sila dito. Ng Nara. Ito ata yung olden times na map. Asa. Tas, lalabas to sa other side ng park. Yan. Yan. Punta tayo sa other side. Dito tayo galing. Dito tayo last time. Di pa ako nag-vlog nun. So guys, ito kami decide na mag-feeding sa Nara National Museum. Ganito siya. Ako kung magkano ba papasok nito. Yan siya. Do not approach fawns, sabi dito. Ito. Meron namang instructions. The deer of Nara Park are wild animals. They can occasionally attack people. So please be careful. So careful kayo guys. They bite, they kick, they headbutt, and they knock you down. So careful, you know. Daming deers sa area. Yan. Ayan siya guys, sa front. Tachan!
Okay.
Salang ko ako sa'yo tanan kay Pasig Daypan.
Repeat up.
Ikaw, babe. Ikaw, babe. Isa lang. Break off, babe. Break it off. Ayaw ang hole. Lala kami. Go, Pete. Ayaw move kami. Ayaw ipadosi mo. Kami. Ana kami, oh. Ayaw ipul. Yan na lang, extend. Give lang.
Go girl.
Extend. Ayaw gamay. Give. Kami. Ana kami, oh. Ayaw ikon. Ana, watch dada. Oh. Ala, gigihit ang shorts ni Jed. Ano lang na dyan, doon yan. Babe, ikaw, babe. Bawa. Guys, they're following me. Wala na. Guys, inatake na naman tayo, guys. I think we bought so much food or biscuits. So guys, medyo aggressive nga sila, so just be careful. Pero wala naman silang, I don't think they bite. They actually bite. But I don't think they have teeth. Do they have teeth? Nothing. Wala na. They're chasing me. No! Guys, they're chasing us. Wala na. Okay. Uy, stop fighting me. They're fighting. No, nothing. They found the source. They found the source. Uy. Si Gami.
Ang tagal.
I'm holding him. Wala akong pagkain. Bow. Tayo ng pagkain. Hintay. Babe, can I? Babe, can I have something? Babe, can I have food? Go there. Give me the food. No food. Good boy. No more. Baby. Guys, he bit me. No more. He bit me, guys. Guys, it hurts. He bit me. No. Ang sakit, guys. That's gonna leave a mark. Pakita natin mamaya. Guys, it's gonna leave a mark. Ang sakit. Aray, di nyo. Ay, nako. Guys, kung pupunta kayo dito, just be careful because they will really bite. Yan o, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Oh, gosh. Yan o, may nag-enjoy, guys, oh. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, bite si Tito.
Extend your
Ah. I think the technique, guys, is you just gotta extend your arm. Kasi they won't bite you. But if you don't extend your arm, they're gonna bite whichever part they wanna bite. Okay. So, oy, don't bite my Tintin. And guys, so tapos na kami mag-feeding. Ubus na. So ano pala yung per pack ng biscuits is 200 yen. Tapos ilan ba sa loob, babe? 5? Like 10, I think. 10 pieces over there. Tapos half nyo na lang. Tas, yeah, ingat lang kayo kasi sobrang aggressive nila if they find out that you have food. We're gonna get ice cream and lunch, pero ito yung view niya. Ayan. This park is very big, so isang part lang kami ng park na to. Last time we were here, we were on a different part. Yung merong Mary Lake, may pond, may Zen garden. So if you guys end up coming here and then you can spend more than a day, you can check out the whole place. That's meron ding to Daiji Temple. Haven't been there, but I think it's like a good 20-minute, 15-minute walk from here. It's really good.
Mango na yung Hokkaido.
Ice cream, guys, 700 yen. Cash only. Same flavors lang, guys. So there's milk, mango twist, mango, Hokkaido milk, uchi, matcha,
Uji matcha twist.
and uji matcha twist. So 500 yen lahat. We got our ice cream. Hokkaido milk, guys. Let's go. Cheers. And guys, tapos na kami mag-ice cream. Rating ko sa ice cream siguro mga nasa 7.5 out of 10. Ano rating mo sa ice cream?
9.5.
9.5.
Gummy.
Ikaw. 9. Wow. Ikaw, Kami, rating out of 10.
What again?
1 to 10. Ano?
1 to 10.
8. 8 si Kami. 8 si Kami. Winner. Well enough na yung ice cream. 500 yen lahat ng flavors. Guys, the deer is crossing. Everyone stopped. Lahat ng traffic stopped. So, na-answer na yung question natin na kung titigil ba sila kung may deer. So guys, ngayon we will head back to Osaka na. It's another 40-minute train. And we are gonna have unlimited Wagyu for lunch. Sana mahanap natin yung magandang Wagyu spot. So update ko kayo. So guys, we're here at the Kintetsu station, Kintetsu Nara station na. And then this is the shopping street that I told you guys about a while ago. Higashimuki Shopping Street. So I don't think we're gonna go here anymore kasi we're going back to Osaka. But yeah, if you guys decide to come here and you wanna eat here, ang daming choices over here. Yeah, let's go. Guys, unlimited wagyu, let's go. So, the place is called Maido, M-A-I-D-O. Tapos lagay ko lang sa link sa baba. And then we ordered all the 5,500 yen course, which is the top unlimited wagyu and unlimited drinks. All you can eat the rice. And then this is what it looks like. Wow, ganda. Picture na din. Wow, happy Jed. Let's go. Yeah. And guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. So yung 5,200 unlimited drinks and unlimited wagyu on food, all you can eat. But you have to finish it in under an hour and a half. There's very strict.
Sweet potato mo?
Sweet potato? Nope.
Sweet potato tempura.
Yan guys. Cheers. Oh wow.
Yeah, yun lang.
Melts in your mouth. Sarap ako eh. Pwede ka rin umorder ng mga ibang dishes, guys. Ito, potato salad and stuff. So it's included with the all you can eat. Pag may price sa menu, like it's not included, so you just have to pay extra.
Yeah,
Tinulungan na kami, guys. Cheers! Wow.
Pagpatan niya nagluto, no? Ikita ba luto?
Okay. May bibimbap din, guys. Look. Sulit talaga. That's very sulit here.
Grabe nga sulit eh.
Guys, so we're finally done dun sa Maido all-you-can-eat wagyu. So nabayaran namin lahat is 22,000 yen and siguro nasa $136 around there. Lagay ko lang yung conversion sa baba. Sobrang sulit, guys. At I think it's like, kung gusto niyo yung wagyu, 9.5 out of 10 yun sa akin. Tingnan niyo. Look. What? Amazing. What kind of witchcraft is this? Babe, what is your review? 9 out of 10.
9.5.
9.5.
9.8.
9.8. 10. Ikaw, Jen. What's your rating out of 10? 8?
Hala, mas
Oh.
Ami,
Ami?
what did you think?
8.
8.
8. So yan guys, yan na yung verdict. Highly recommend. So ngayon, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go around Dotonbori kasi first time nila, hindi pa nila na go around. So it's currently 3 o'clock, 3:30, 3:45. Tapos pupunta sana kami ng Osaka Castle, but as you can see, it's currently raining. Ayan no. So I don't think it's right to go to Osaka Castle kasi walang shade doon. Yeah. You know. Dito kami sa Dotonbori area. Dito, left is Glicoman. Yeah, tingnan niyo ang Glicoman. Guys, look at that big donkey.
Ganang sunog ato ba?
That's yeah. And then on our left is Dotonbori, Glicoman. Glicoman pala, guys. Ito yung picture spot natin, guys, 'di ba? Naalala nyo? Tapos kino-construct pala yung H&M nila, oh. Yan guys, picture spot. Kung gusto niyo sa baba kayo sa may river din. Dito sa baba yung photo spot, guys. Okay, dun sa bridge, maraming tao. Ito, wala kayong kalaban dito. Chachang! We are back after 6 months. Wait, 6 months ba? No, 8 months. So sana we'll be back soon again. But we go on over here. But yes guys, tapos ako yung mag-picture. Pakita ko yung picture sa inyo dito somewhere. But yeah, ito yung photo spot over here. Dito. Like when you go to bridge, there's a walkway going down here on the side. And then you can come down here sa my river walk. That's yan. Cha-chan! Then yun. And then you can also ride cruises over here dito. Yeah. And I think it's part of Osaka Amazing Pass. Yun. On the cruise. Yan. If you decide to book the river cruise, you can book through Klook and you can use my code Nestor. Cha-chang! Ginawa pang advertisement, no? Pero again, Liko man. Let's go! Masok pala kami sa Donkey, guys. Yung dito pa kami nag-CR sa pinakamurang section. Muntik na kaming nabudol. Dito, mga branded. Kaya expensive. Buti na lang, hindi kami nabudol. I think, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi nag-restroom lang. So, siguro next time. Kasi ilang beses na akong mag-try mag-vlog dito sa Donkey. Tapos, they always wanted me to kind of like put it away. Ewan ko. So, probably this one's different. So, we'll see. I don't know. Some creators din nakapag-vlog sa Donkey. So, I'm not sure. Pero dito sa 6th floor, sa Donkey, sa may Dotonbori. Dito yung pinakamahal. Ang daya nila kasi, guys, yung women's bathroom nilagay nila dito. So, kung ikaw babae ka, you wanna use the restroom, dadaan ka talaga sa mga branded section. Mga Loewe, mga Louis Vuitton, mga Boss, mga Coach, mga ganun Celine. So, yeah. Na guys, nabudol na guys. Look. Ito yung mga nabili ko. Ay, bibilhin pa pala. Yung iba dyan kay Kami. Pero, ito. Kailangan kong bumili kasi nito kasi namamaga na yung paa ko. And Kay said I need to buy it. I bought this last time I came over here. I think this is like 400 yen. Snack chicken skin. Yuzu pepper flavor. Masarap yun guys. Pero ako nahanap. Wasabi flavor. Kailangan ko to. Pang na school. Grad school. So, tapos bumili ulit ako ng magnet ng Mount Fuji kasi wala akong nabili at ng Mount Fuji na magnet. Ano siya tayong magnet? So, nasa 1,200 yen. Wala pang tax yan guys. So, mag-ingat kayo. Pupunta kayo ng Donkey kasi usually walang tax na kalagay niyan. Yeah. But, dito kami sa mga snacks. We're here at the snacks and there's matcha section over here. Premium matcha, ceremony grade matcha and stuff. 3,080 yen. Marami dito guys. Pero dito sa Donkey guys, if you haven't been, it's usually very overstimulating. Dami music and stuff. That's very colorful yung store. And the layout's very confusing. So, I don't know. I think they do it on purpose para bumili kayo. Makapabili talaga kayo. And always bring your passport kasi may tax free.
Note it and then
Guys, she's asking why the deer bit me a while ago. I told her because yummy si Tito.
like what are you say?
Or say hi to my followers. Hi guys! Hi guys! So guys, ito yung mga pambansang pasalubong. Kit Kats all over. So 599 yung isang maliit na pop. 647 with tax. Yan. That's 1,480. 1,500 pa na siya pa plus tax. Ngayon Yan. Guys, fact check pa nyo na lang ako. Pero disclaimer, parang nagmahal sila. Last time I was here, it was November. Nagmahal sila. Like 200 yen more expensive. Not gonna lie. So, just be wary. Guys, tignan nyo yung bread nila, pang palaman nila.
What are you say?
Ito, mga spread nila. Mayroon pa ito, milk whip. Ito, nakatsug. Tapos parang carnation din. Ito. May garlic bread nga sila, toast spread pa dito. Tapos garlic bread. Curry, may curry pa dyan. Sobrang talaga nila, sobrang creative ng mga people dito. Kaso nga pala guys, yung famous ramen na kinainin natin, yung Ichiran, meron din sila dito. Nakabenta yung mga Ichiran instant noodles nila. So ito, dalawa yung loob niyan. Straight noodles yan, same nung sa store. Tapos ito yung parang ramen style, instant ramen style, yung curly noodles. So kung gusto niyo yung ganyan. Tapos meron din sila mga cup version na rin. Bago ata yan, 497 yan. Tapos may malaking package, 3,200. Yan. Yan. Nice, look at these. It's like candied crabs. Look, they're tiny crabs. Snack siya, guys. Spicy pollock roe crab. 799 yen. Wow, interesting. Exclusive to Donkey. O nga pala, guys, ito siya. Lagay mo daw sa paa mo, tapos mawawala daw. It helps recover. Helps you recover sa paglalakad mo throughout the day. 30,000 steps? Wala lang yan. Kumuha kami ng isa. Try namin ngayon. Di pa namin na-try. So, review namin. Guys, dito na kami sa may Dotonbori area ulit. Yung sa may mall. Yung covered. Sobrang ingay. I don't know if y'all can hear us. Ayan siya. Sobrang daming tao. So, I don't know if y'all can hear us. Ayan. Dami din mga designer shops dito, guys. So, hindi sila magpapatalo. Like, they have a Calvin Klein and Coach. Ito. And then there's a Boss over there. Yan. So, di kayo, kung gusto nyo mag-shopping dito na mas mahal, wala masyadong sale, dito kayo. But yeah, may 10% tax-free. Babe, yung nasa wrist mo, patingin? Di ba, ano yan? What's yan? Sige. Guys, tignan niyo yung pila, guys, ng Onitsuka Tiger. It's so long. Holy crap. Oh, guys. Papunta kami ng Salomon. Haba ng pila. OMG. May pila sa labas, oh. Grabe naman. Wala, guys, hindi na ako bumili. Kasi, hindi muna ngayon. Next time. Tapos libre naman din tayo ni Case. Pero check out natin ibang shoes. Next time na lang. Kasi medyo masakit na pa ako sa shoes ko nito. No? Guys, hanap na kami mapakainan. I think hanap kami mga, siguro yakitori siguro. Para matry naman nila. Tapos one last look ng Dotonbori area. Yan. Guys, dito na kami sa yakitori place. Enya Namba ang pangalan. Yan siya. Maliit lang siya. So sa taas daw kami. Siksikan na lang daw. Yan, sobrang liit.
Yes. No, I cannot stay.
So guys, dito kami sa Enya Namba. Lagay ko sa baba yung link. Siya, yakitori place. Very small. Nasa baba lang kami nakaupo. Coming. You're sitting down on the floor? Why take? Oh, sorry. What say? What say? Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Like and subscribe. Joke lang guys. Tapos Japanese yung menu nila. But you just gotta ask the English set menu. Kasi you have to ask them. Kasi kung hindi nyo makakaintindihan. So meron namang English menu. He's looking at it right now. So yeah, order muna kami ang update. Guys, first drink in Japan. Let's go. Cheers. Ako po. Cheers. Cheers kami. La. Cheers. Gaspin ka. Cheers. Cheers. Gampai. Ay. Thank you. Nikon Radish. Thank you. Thank you po. Hot lagi. Okay. Hi. Careful. Try natin to guys.
Go.
Tofu. Cheers. Parang siyang miso with garlic and sesame. And then firm tofu. Or I think medium tofu. Fried radish. Guys, first okonomiyaki in Japan. Wow. Guys, chicken skin, guys. Chicken skin, chicken skin. Cheers. Oh, guys, winner. Bebo.
Babe, ay, bobo. Ayun na naiit. Kaya dili mo ni mo gina.
This is yummy. This is barbecue. She said barbecue.
This is a chicken and then the green onion. Yakitori sauce. Oh, hard. Yes, ewan ko ano to. Oh,
At least, okay din. Forganda na.
cheers.
Nakadeo.
I don't know what this is. That was good. I don't know, it's good. It was good.
Ay mo.
Patay. Liver. That was good.
Ito?
Perfect ang liver ba? Creamy ang liver. Creamy kayo. Chicken wings. So good. Chicken heart. What?
6 p.m. atong paulit, di ba?
Chicken oyster, guys. Cheers. Good. Guys, last na daw to, guys. Promise. Pork ribs. Hi, guys. Like and subscribe. Guys, rice bowl, oh. Ganyan pala itsura. Sige, go, go, go. Grilled rice ball. Cha-chang!
Boleh dong iwan nih, nang semua. Dong meat.
Guys, Hasto. Guys, kung ito sa bahay, susuot tayo ng yukata. Yung parang traditional ano nila. Parang masyadong malaki to. Ito siya suotin. Meron parang string sa loob. Tapos tayo mo dyan. Pakpak. Tapos, close mo. Tapos mga close, meron parang ganito. Yan. Para siyang belt. Then, so when you close it, tas over mo dyan, ganyan. Pa. Tas, sa lalaki daw, dapat nasa ano siya, sa may belly. Sabi nila. Belly. Tapos, yan. Oo, tama ba to? Pero yan. Tachan! Yes. Be sure na close yan. Tak. Yan. Yukata. Tara, ay magsusuon na ako. O siya. So guys, ayan, dito ko na yan yung vlog natin. Medyo marami din yung ginawa natin today. Sobrang daming kain. Nagpanara tayo, nagpa-atotonbori tayo, tsaka unlimited wagyu, and then yung yakitori. Sorry, hindi na tayo nakapunta ng Osaka Castle kasi sobrang umuulan kasi yung weather. Tapos sila kami, tapos mabasa-basa kami, so baka magkasakit na. So mahirap na, diba? So hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video ko. Feel free to like and subscribe para hindi kayo makamiss ng video natin. Salamat sa panood ng vlog ko, and till next time, take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye!